Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Faza Ahmad Putra bin Muhammad Noor, and today I will be talking about the introduction of statics for KIB1003. Statics is the study of how object behaves when all the forces acting on it are balanced. It is said to be in a state of equilibrium. The object is either at rest or moving at constant velocity with no acceleration. Let's take a look at this toy car. There are two forces acting on it. The normal force acting upward from the table towards the toy, and the weight of the toy that acts downwards towards the table. We will look at the free diagram of the toy. Since the toy remains at rest, we can say that both forces are balanced and the toy is in a state of equilibrium. Next, I will apply a little force to the toy. It may not seem like it, but I am actually pushing the toy a little towards the front. As you can see, the toy remains at rest. This is due to the frictional force between the toy and the table that acts towards the back of the car. So, we can say that the force action towards the front and the back of the toy is balanced, and the toy is still in a state of equilibrium. That's all from me. If there's any mistakes, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.